What's up, TikTok? Got something pretty cool today. RockRooster boots. Sent me some boots to try out. See how they hold up for me. We're gonna get them opened up here and a letter here. Just about them. It's pretty cool. These are the boots that I picked out to try. Oh, they sent me some socks to go with them. Hell yeah. Cool Max socks. So the boots that I picked out are the 6-inch steel-toe wedge boots. I'm pretty interested to see how they hold up for me. I've been struggling to find boots that'll last me longer than 4 or 5 months. Currently wearing a set of Red Wings that's about 2.5 times the cost of this. So I'm very excited. They look real good. They're supposed to have a cooling technology in them, a Vibram insole. I've always had good luck with those. So try them out. Somebody remind me here in a couple months, and I'll do an update on what I think of them. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Thank you to RockRooster Bruce for sending me these boots. I appreciate it. They feel pretty dang good on my feet already. I don't feel like they're going to require a whole lot of breaking in, which is a big thing for me. Appreciate y'all.